and I've been a veterinary nurse for over 20 years. I offer accredited canine first aid courses, and we're here today at the pet cemetery to learn how to do CPR on dogs. But before we start dog CPR, let's remind ourselves how to do human CPR. Remember, any CPR is better than no CPR. There's no wrong way of doing it. When someone collapses, the first thing we should do is look for danger. Is there anything around that might hurt you or the other person? The second thing to do is to see if the person responds. Hello? Hello? Next, we need to check the breathing. Look for the rise and fall of the chest. If they're not breathing or not breathing normally, you need to call 999 and ask for help. Then start CPR. With interlocking fingers and straight arms, press hard and fast in the centre of the chest. Allow for full recoil between each compression. Keep going until the ambulance arrives. Right, now let's look at dog CPR. So we have Casper here to help us. And just like human CPR, the first thing we need to do is look out for danger. Have a look, is there anything that might harm us or the dog? Remember to keep calm and assess the situation. Unlike human CPR, when checking for a response, it's better to stand up, as the dog may not be unconscious and only injured and could bite you. Casper! Casper! You can touch gently and give a little shake. Next, we have the check for breathing. Extend the head and neck. You can pull the tongue forward and look for an obstruction. Look for signs of breathing. You can put your hand on the chest to feel. Quickly check the circulation. You can feel the heart here behind the elbow or the femoral pulse here in the groin. You could practice this on your dog at home. If there is no breathing, you will need to put both hands around the dog's mouth and nose. Put your mouth right over the nose and you will need to give 2 mouth to snout breaths. If there's no heartbeat, you will need to start chest compressions. Unlike human CPR, dog CPR is done with a dog on their side. You will need to put the heel of your hand over the widest part of the chest. With your fingers interlocked and your arms straight, press hard and fast down on the side of the chest. Allow for full recoil between each compression. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Keep going. You will need to contact your vet as soon as possible. They will be able to give you further advice and help. All dogs are different, and the CPR technique between the different breeds can vary. You can learn more about CPR and first aid by attending one of our courses. If you're visiting North Wales, make sure you visit our friends at the pet cemetery. It's a lovely place and you can walk around the grounds and grab a bite to eat at the pet-friendly tea rooms.